Introducing KMS 3.0, a powerful platform designed to seamlessly connect your machines. In fast and a traditional Industry 4.0 application, multiple software packages are required to achieve end-to-end functionality. Driver packages like Kepware and Matricon for connectivity, a historian to store large volumes of process data, and advanced analytics tools such as Power BI, Tableau, or Grafana for visualization and insights. To overcome this complexity, KMS brings all these capabilities together in one unified platform. Our solution requires no advanced skill set to get started. There's no need to handle multiple product lifecycle management complexities. You'll enjoy an added cost benefit with this approach. And it's fully scalable at any time to match your needs.
KMS connects, stores, and distributes data from multiple data sources. We will now explain each one step by step.
Modbus is the most common protocol used in industry. It's widely adopted for connecting industrial devices, especially in energy meters, compressors, and VFD. Most PLCs from Wago, Emerson, Schneider, ABB, and Delta support Modbus TCP. KMS can act as an IoT platform with MQTT support, allowing plants or machines at different geolocations to connect seamlessly and provide centralized data. KMS support any gateway make like Tultanica, E1, Wecon, now PLC like Wago, Siemens, and Micro 850 also supports MQTT. SQL database is used for any SCADA platform used in almost all process industry. SCADA of WinCC, Cytec, Simplicity, Movicon, Wonderware, and FactoryTalk use SQL as database. KMS can connect to Siemens PLC of S7 1200, S7 1500, S7 300, and S7 400 series. KMS supports Ethernet IP protocol of Rockwell, can connect to Micro series, MicroLogix, Compact Logix, and Control Logix PLCs. With MELSEC interface, KMS can connect to Mitsubishi PLC. BACnet is available to connect with Building Management System, DDC controller. Camera interface allows to connect any CCTV camera over RTSP protocol. Basler Camera SDK is also integrated in KMS. Once connected, you can apply AI vision model of safety, hygiene on real-time feeds. KMS supports all OPC variants, ranging from legacy OPC DA, HDA, and A&E to the latest OPC UA interface. After connecting the data, KMS stores it in a historian database, enabling users to build dashboards, reports, and alerts easily. Users can also use manual forms and dynamic comments to fill and record data digitally, enhancing operational feedback and data completeness. The generated reports can be exported and shared via email, Microsoft Teams, and Telegram. The software is platform independent and supports both Windows and Linux systems. It allows development without writing any code. Being web-based, it can be accessed from anywhere within the network. The application can be installed either on premises or on the cloud, providing flexibility for various deployment needs. Data can also be published on OPC UA. KMS offers a diverse range of industrial applications, focusing on energy management, data centralization, and automation. It supports solutions for recipe, batch, utility, and mass balance tracking, alarm and alert generation, and centralized data handling for OEMs, water projects, and multi-location plants. Additional features include historian database, dashboarding, OEE analysis, Andon systems, and data concentrators serving industries. Overall, KMS enables data-driven management that leads to more informed actions and clearer operational visibility.